Hi. We are glad to announce that we have prepared our DCF crash course, designed especially for aspiring new financial analysts. You can get lifetime access to our course for free, through the link in the description of this video. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the required knowledge and skills to develop a comprehensive discounted cash flow analysis. Whether you're looking to prepare for your next technical interview, enhance your modeling proficiency in your current job, create a strategic business plan for your upcoming project, or calculate the fair price of a potential investment, this crash course has got you covered. Understanding DCF is a fundamental skill for anyone in the world of finance and investments. It serves as a powerful tool to evaluate the intrinsic value of an asset or a business. In the first part of this course, we'll begin by providing you with a brief introduction to DCF. Specifically, you will learn the key assumption behind DCF method, as well as its advantages and limitations relative to other valuation methods. In the second part of this course, we will put theory into practice. We'll walk you through an example of the valuation of a fictitious company using the DCF method. We will start with the key parameters of DCF, such as the cost of equity, the weighted average cost of capital, the beta and the terminal value. Then, we will develop a three-statement financial model, which consists of the income statement, the balance sheet and the cash flow statement. We will also explain their various accounts and how the three statements link to each other. Then, we calculate the free cash flows, that we will later need to discount from the future back to the valuation date, using an appropriate discount rate. And then, we derive the enterprise value, and the equity value of the company. Lastly, we will run some sensitivity tables, to show how the valuation of the company changes, as we change the value of certain parameters. The lecturer of this course is an active investment banking and corporate finance professional since 2018. His mission is to empower new aspiring financial analysts to stand out in their job hunting process, in the most efficient way possible. For the purposes of this course, we have created a presentation with the key material that we will cover, as well as the supporting Excel file, where the practical application of the various concepts will take place. We have also included quizzes at the end of each lesson, to ensure that you have grasped the various concepts that we cover in the course. Don't miss to join our course for free, through the link in the description. See you there.